one last example that I want to show you today, and right now we don't have a rule where we can do the product of two functions because this is a function and this is a function that's going on. So we have to really be careful here, and you have to make sure that we're distributing these through like this. So it's h of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 2 times 3x, which is 6x. Well, 6x divided by x is just 6. So now I can find h prime of x, and this is going to be equal to 9x squared. And then that derivative of the constant just becomes 0. So it's just 9x squared. So be careful on that and make sure you reduce it so it really is just addition, subtraction, or we're talking about multiplying by a constant. We're not multiplying by functions today. That's going to be in a later lesson that is, I think, a really fun one.